This is a late 2008 15-inch MacBook Pro unibody I purchased for just 99 pence. Let's take a look at it. So here we're going to clean up this MacBook. It was very filthy. The display was covered in fingerprints and all sorts. I used Fast Glass as it's a great chemical for cleaning this MacBook. To help prevent scratching of the display, I used a microfiber towel. These are fairly cheap and great for cleaning tech products. This MacBook's keyboard was very dirty, so I wanted to use a really good cleaning product called Wonder Wipes. These help clean the MacBook as well as disinfect the keyboard. Remember that if you're buying used tech products, you're also buying the germs that the previous owner may have left, so I would always recommend to clean it up and get them nice and clean. I also used the microfiber towel to help dry up the areas. I then flipped the MacBook round and gave the top case a good wiping down, as they also can be a good place for germs to harbour. It was also very dirty and had lots of dust and a few light scratches. I then flipped the machine over to open up the bottom door so I could begin taking this device apart. I had installed macOS Catalina earlier on that 120GB Kingston SSD you can see in the corner. This wasn't for anything major, I hadn't cleaned the device or anything, I just wanted to make sure the device fully functioned and all the keys on it worked. I used a knife fix-it guide to help me take apart this MacBook safely. As you can see, this MacBook had quite significant hinge damage, so I had to remove the screen and go and do some off-screen work, gluing off on some rubber and some other small cosmetic problems that needed ironing out. I also had to straighten out some of the metal. After I'd fixed the screen, I made sure to carefully put everything back into place and reroute the cables the best I could. Once everything was put safely back in place, I got the rear panel and screwed it all back into place using the screws in their original holes. I then reinstalled the original Apple battery. Then, before I put the bottom case on, I checked the machine still fully booted up and worked on macOS Catalina. What you didn't see in the video was the really long hour of troubleshooting where I had to fix the screen's corner because there was a slight issue with the rubber where it started peeling away again. This was a major problem as the MacBook wasn't sitting right on the frame, which I didn't want. Overall, for the price I paid for the machine, I'm really pleased with the outcome. It's an amazing little MacBook, and I would genuinely recommend the late 2008 15-inch to anyone who's in the market for a MacBook Pro. If all you do is simple web browsing and video playback, these machines still handle that very well, especially with an SSD upgrade and 8GB of RAM. And if you're working from home, like many are, it's a great machine to do that on. Thanks for watching, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.